Sometimes, when everything gets loud, this is the only place that feels quiet.
Is that why your music always sounds like a prayer?
The music is just me trying to find the words for moments like this.
You know, this fork is surprisingly versatile. It's like a multi-tool for my meal. But at what point did we decide it was a go item?
It is. Honestly, the weight on this is fantastic. I'm pretty sure I could use this knife to build a birdhouse.
That's impressive.
I bet I could maybe, efficiently eat my food when they arrest me. You're clearly a...
Hey, what's up guys? You're welcome back once again to my channel. Do you love what you see? In case if you love the video you just watched right now, I need you to understand that I made that right completely with AI, and I believe you should know already. When you come into my channel, you already know the name, King Team AI Studio. So that means we use AI to generate things that make sense. So guys, today in this video I'll be teaching you how to generate videos using simple images and how to use it to create something cool for your own channel. Maybe you want to start a movie channel, or you want to start something so cool, right? Because a lot of people are making money out there right now with these AI stuffs, and the beautiful thing is that it's monetizable. You can monetize it, especially when you even make it look more real. All right, so let's dive in without further ado. In case if this is your first time on this channel, you want to do me that little favor, hit that subscribe button, guys. You don't want to miss out. And thank you for everybody who has joined right from my previous videos, and you are still here again. Thanks so much. And don't forget to hit that like button. When you hit the like button, it helps the video go more viral so that many other people like you can also learn, and with that we all grow together and make money together. And don't forget to hit that like button to show me your little appreciation of this effort and put in to teach you guys these things. All right, let's get started. So you guys know how I usually love to do it. I love to start with Gemini to generate my photos, because I don't want to waste my credit generating photos on other platforms where I can actually generate it somewhere for absolute free. All right, so I use Gemini to generate my photo. And don't forget, as I always do, guys, the prompts that I'll be using for these generations is going to be in a Google document file, which I am going to post straight away in my Telegram channel. So you want to go to the description of this video right now before you continue watching, just so you don't forget. Click the link, the Telegram link, and join my Telegram community, where you will find all the prompts in a Google document file, so that you can use it to replicate, to generate your own as soon as possible. Let's get started, guys. So the first thing I always want to do when I want to create a video is I want to first of all ask myself, what am I looking forward to doing? What am I looking forward to creating? What am I looking at? Okay, what result do I want to achieve? So for this particular video, what I just wanted to achieve was some kind of a romantic date movie production, right? So the first thing I want to do is I want to have my photo. All right, so here I gave Gemini a simple prompt to generate an image of a man and a lady in a nice restaurant. But before that, I already have given Gemini photos of me. All right, so Gemini is already used to my face, and that's why I used my face. If you guys watched my previous video which I made, I taught you guys how to create music videos for your music, right? This was the image I used, and here is the same image again. So you can see Gemini is now getting used to my face. So I asked Gemini to generate a photo of this guy here. All right, you guys know who it is, and with a random lady in a restaurant. So it brought this photo first, and I said, no, okay, I want those people behind to be removed. I just want the two of them. And then it came up with this: everybody out, just the two of them having a romantic night. All right, so from there, the next thing is I need a close-up shot of the guy. So I gave Gemini this simple prompt: now generate a close shot of the man. And here is a close shot, because I don't just want to create videos that's just gonna focus on them like this. I want to create a video that's gonna look more real. Okay, so just viewing this alone might look a bit boring. It might look like you just keep the camera one side and whatever is happening, right? So I needed more feel to the movie, so that's why I requested for a close-up shot of the guy. So next I give Gemini another prompt requesting for both camera angle and camera movement of the couple and their conversations. All right, so here's the prompt, and I'm also going to include that in the Google Doc for you guys. Okay, so when I gave Gemini that prompt, it came up with this video generation prompt: settings, cozy, intimate, corner of a high-end restaurant. Okay, then here it talks about the medium close split shot, a man with his shots. Then you could also see here it talks about the camera slowly pushes in closer to the man as he pauses his so you could see Gemini also had to work on the camera movement. This is very important when generating your video, because you don't want your camera to be static. You want it to move around so that people can have the feel and feel like they are in the restaurant also there and seeing what's happening live. This is very important when generating your video. And like I told you guys, I'm gonna give you the prompts to get all these things set up. That's why you want to make sure you join my Telegram channel. Okay, so now that I have my script, simple script, and I have my photos, the close-up shot and the wide shot, let's go and generate this. In order to do that, you want to come over to Kai AI. So right here in Kai AI, you're going to look for Kling. You're going to search for Kling. So over here we have Kling 3.0, and this is the one you want to click. You want to click on try it. So the moment you come into Kling over here, you want to upload the first photo. You can see here it says start frame, and here it says end frame. Okay, so you want to click on the start frame and you want to upload the start frame, which this is the start frame, this first picture, and then the second picture is the close-up shot of the guy. All right, so with my start frame and my end frame, I'm gonna put over here at where the prompt is where I'm gonna paste the prompt that Gemini had generated concerning the camera movement and everything. And once you're done with that, you want to either use Pro or 4K or standard. So for me, I will leave it on standard, and I would love it to be on a 15-second duration. And then you're gonna click on run. Once that is generated, this is what we have.
Sometimes, when everything gets loud, this is the only place that feels
So you can
quiet.
see the camera movement, you can
Is that
see
why
the
your
slow
music always
movement,
sounds
you can
like a
see the
prayer?
focus on the lady, and you can see the focus
music is
on the
just me
guy.
trying to
This is
find the
the
words
end result.
for moments like
You
this.
get, you can see, you can see the feel, right? And then that's just simply how to generate a beautiful video for whatever creation you want to create. So I decided to also work on another one, of which I asked Gemini to generate another photo for me, and I got this. And then I put another prompt in there, which I used Gemini also to generate. Okay, it talked about the camera movement, the camera tracks backward, keeping pace. I need you to listen to me, guys. As you're generating your video, do not overlook camera movement. It makes it look real. Okay, it makes it look real. So watch this right now.
You know, this
You
fork is
can see as
surprisingly
they are
versatile.
moving,
It's
the
like a
camera is
multi-tool
also
for my meal,
moving
but
and
at what point did
shaking
we
like
decide
it's
it was a go
someone who
item?
is indeed
Honestly, the weight on this is fantastic. I'm pretty
videoing
sure I could
them.
use
You
this
can
knife to build a
see,
birdhouse.
the
I've
movement,
actually
right? You can
officially
see
moved my food
focusing on the
to a
lady,
restaurant.
focusing on
You
them,
clearly
focusing on them behind as they are walking past. This makes it so real. Like it's not a random person or using a tripod and keeping camera one side and acting. No, it looks so real. This is what makes your video stand out, guys. All right, so over here in this Kai API, you can also create what we call multiple shots. So that's a case whereby your first shot has your first prompt and the conversations, and then you want to add another shot. You want to do the same thing, add more prompts. So the first shot is going to be 5 seconds, the second shot is going to be 10 seconds, depending on how you put it. If you reduce it to 5 seconds, you can add another shot also. So it's going to be like 3 different shots, 5 seconds, and you want to describe what you want each shot to be like. I hope you understand how this works, guys. So that's just simply how to generate a simple, beautiful video, and you could do it over and over again until you get quite a long video, but you always want to make sure you have a good storyline. That's important, and it's not hard. Just simply use Gemini or ChatGPT, create a good storyline, and kaboom, you create something good, guys. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget, the links are on description. The link to this website is on description. The link to my Telegram is on description. The prompts are in my Telegram channel. Get started, guys. Let's make money from the AI world before it gets so congested. All right? So till I see you again, keep making that money.